So first let's have a look at the game Fire Runner, which was developed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript web technologies. So this is the home page of the Fire Runner game. So we have the play button and we have the informations button and the levels button. We can also have a sneak peek of what the game is about. So first let's click on the information button. Next, let's see, our goal is to navigate Samzi safely without getting him burned for the flames that are on his path. So basically Samzi is the character who is in the Fire Runner game. So to make Samzi run, we'll have to press the enter key, and to make Samzi jump, we have to press the space key. The rules are pretty easy and pretty straightforward. So let's make Samzi run by clicking the play button. So in this page we have the current score, where we'll be able to observe our score when we start to run, when we make Samzi run. And here we have the reset button. So when you're in the middle of the game and you want to begin from the beginning, then this button is for you. So let's make Samzi run by clicking the enter key, and make him jump by pressing the space key. So when Samzi knocks to a flame, then he dies and the game is over. And finally your score is displayed on the game over page. If you want to try again, you can click this try again button or the reset button. So I will press the try again button right here. So let's make Samzi run by pressing the space bar also. Yep, he's running by pressing the space bar also. So let's make him jump. Oh, and Samzi dies on the way without reaching land. So let's go to the home page. So this game has been developed by the three most frequently used technologies: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the code for which I have made Samzi to run. So this is the home page. As you can see, this is the home page interface, and this is the code for the home screen, the HTML code. And we also have the CSS code. So the first is for the gameplay, the GIF image which you can see on the interface, and I have added FR for the heading and a lot more for the interface. Next, let's check out the game's HTML page. So basically this is the game's HTML page. So you can see that I have put a score head, then the current score, and then the restart button, the game over page, and also let's have a look at the CSS page. So here you can see the background, then the body, then the boys properties, and also the flames properties, and then the properties of the game when it is over, so basically when the boy dies. So next we have GO1, that is also game over 1. So I have used it to position the headers once the game is over. So let me show you what it is. So when the boy runs and knocks into a flame, yeah, so we see this game over page here. So this is known as the game over 1 and game over 2, which I have used in the CSS page. And likewise we have the score, and we also have the restart. So this is the try again is the restart function. So once you click this, the page reloads and makes you to play the game again. And let's have a look at the JavaScript file also. So I have used if event.which is equal to 13. So basically the keyboard number 13 is the enter key, and the keyboard number 32 is the spacebar key. So basically all these keys are based on the ASCII codes. So we have given the sound. So the run sound, then we have the soundtrack sound. So the run sound is when the player is running, you can hear the footsteps of him running. And the soundtrack sound is that retro sound I have given, which is taken from the Super Mario game. And then next we have the run worker. So we make the character to run. And next we have the BW, that is the background worker. So we make the background to start scrolling once the character starts running. And then next we have the score worker. So it updates the score when the character is running. So here you can see the score is increasing when the character is running. So this is what the score worker does. And then we also have added the jump sound, the dying sound, and the soundtrack sound also. So the function f, basically this is used for the flame. And then the function run. So by the function's name we can identify that it is to make the character to run. And here the function BA, so this is to make the background scroll once the character is running. And next the function update score. Yes, obviously it is the score updating function. And then the function move. So in this function we are using the fire. So the fire, it doesn't stay still, the fire moves towards the boy. So this function is being used for that purpose. And next we have the function jump. Yes, so basically this is to make our character to jump over the flames or on land. And next we have the function RE, that is the reload function. And then we have the function restart. So that is also the reload function, where I have assigned it to a button. And then let's have a look at the instructions page. So this is the info.html, where we were able to see the instructions. Yep, so this is the page. So this is the HTML code for that page. So we have given on click and the play JavaScript function. So once the play button is pressed, it turns into light green and the game starts. Likewise, when the information is pressed, it turns into light green and the information is displayed. So that's all for this video. So I hope to build more games that are more advanced. So I would like to thank Java Institute for helping me learn all these concepts within a couple of days. Thank you for watching this video.